So good afternoon, students. Today we would be learning about the basics of HTML, which is a chapter in grade 6 ICSE computers. Okay. So I will be giving some written notes as well, which you have to write it in your notepad. And the other will be the coding part, which you will be typing in your mobile or your computer. Okay. If you're doing in your laptop, you should have notepad app. But if you're using a mobile phone, you should download the Handwriter app. I will give the name in the chat. If you don't have these apps, please download. And Writer for mobile phones, and for laptop, use Notepad. Okay? These are the basic apps which we use to code in HTML. Start making the notes. First, we will study about the basics. Okay? So, first of all, we will learn what is HTML. Okay? Write HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So what definition can you derive from its full form? We can say that HTML is a basic markup structure. It is a blueprint of a web page. A web page you might have seen, like suppose your school or your own school web page. You will see some tabs like home tab, academic tab, homework tab. Like these tabs you can also create in your own website, okay, using HTML. So the theory which is given in your textbook, I will be reading out that it is a markup language that describes the structure of the web page. It allows us to create web pages that contain paragraph, heading, links, and block quotes. The output of HTML web page is the same on type of any computer and on any operating system, Mac or Windows. This means if on the laptop it shows in a web page, the heading is capital H I high. In your mobile phone also, the heading would be H I. Okay. So this shows that on all devices and operating systems, the output is always same. Okay. The next part will be the key features of HTML. Yes. So key features of HTML. It is a platform independent language. Write with me. Features of HTML. This I will type it out, okay? Features of HTML. Point number 1, platform independent language. Second, platform independent, we have discussed that you can use it on your laptop or maybe, yes, there are more than one apps on laptop also which you can use. I have suggested to use Notepad because its interface is easy to use for the user, okay? But there are many other apps in which you can use uh, to code HTML. Then, not case sensitive. This means, suppose if I write the word hello like this, and if I write like this, hello, it they mean the same in HTML. But in Java, this hello is different and this hello is different. Okay. But in HTML, if you write hello like this also, HELLO, it will accept it. Okay, but there are some platforms like Java. When you're coding with Java, it is not allowed. Okay. So it is a very important feature of HTML. Then the third one, See, these are very important in your exam for your exam perspective because such direct questions are asked always allows us to build tables. You might have seen during the COVID time, your school would have been providing you the report card online. In that, on the school website, you could see tables. So that was created using HTML most probably. So this means that HTML allows you to build table also on its websites. Okay, then very easy and simple language. It is a very simple language to use. Okay, there are no like difficult words which you are not aware of. Just you have to learn the structure and format. Then can add link. Okay, you can add links to other website also. Suppose you have created two websites and you have to merge them. You can put the link of the first website in the second website so that you can access them in just one website. Okay. Sixth is flexible way to design web pages. Flexible way to design websites. Oh, web pages. Web pages where you can add text and maybe pictures also. It allows you to add pictures also. You can add a picture of a lion if you're making a website related to lion. Okay. Then yes, so we will discuss about the full form. A hypertext. Hypertext means a text, a part of text which has a special feature of linking to other documents of web pages. Okay, I will show you. Suppose when you search maybe www.google.com, when you search like this, it comes in blue color. Some yeah, right, it comes highlighted in blue color. Do you know why? Because it is a part of a hypertext. What is hypertext? It is a special feature by which you can link many documents together. You can link many other documents with other web pages. It is highlighted in blue. I will color it. So, here's the coloring option. Blue. Okay, wait. Better I will show you it on Google only. See, when I write www. Yes, can you see here? www.bscindia.com. Yes. So this shows this is a hypertext. Okay, this blue color. Please notice. Oh, wait, I don't think so. I've shared the screen, the correct screen. I will stop and share it again. Yes. Yes, so whenever I type www dot see, can you see this first site? This one. I'll annotate. Yes, this one, www.bscindia.com. This is a hypertext because it can link many web pages and documents together. Okay, when you open the site, you could see many things in it. Okay, so let's stop sharing. We will go to a whiteboard again. Yes. And markup language means it is a language that uses special symbols called tags to mark up a text document and instruct the browser how to display the text. This is what we are going to learn in HTML. And what we will do, we will type some tags. Tags are means like an HTML. This is a tag which we start coding HTML. So the thing it enclosed in this is called a tag. So it is a markup language which consists of tags. The HTML editor mentioned in your textbook is WYSIWYG. This is the first one. And the second one is the text editor, which is the notepad which is common in our laptops. Okay, then we have the Yes, coding part. So basic structure of an HTML. Kindly note it down. HTML, put the heading HTML tags and attributes. Attributes means the components of coding in this. I'll increase the font size here. 6. Yes. So first is, see, whenever we start, here we put a tag name. Okay. And then we close this tag name. Here comes our content. Then when we are closing it, we put this again. We put this. Then we put the tag name and we close it. This is how a normal HTML tag looks like. Opening tag and closing. So the tags, write this thing. Tags in HTML are of 4 types. Container tag, container. Second is the empty tag. Third is the block level tag. And the fourth is the text level. So the container tag, suppose container tag is like this B, you write some text here, then you close like this. This is used for bolding, like if you want to write some text in bold. Bold means it looks highlighted. The border of the text is thick. Okay. And then one is head, HEAD. This is for the heading part. If you are putting some heading of a website, you should use this tag. It's much. Okay. Then empty tag means like you are using maybe HR, BR. I will be telling you the meaning of these tags in some time when we start coding. These tags need not be closed further. Okay, these are separate tags. Then block level tags mentioned in it is HR, which is horizontal rule. This is to use to block level means to this block level maybe the it by default it begins on a new line when you write something here like what can I say? Suppose you write here content. Then next line you'll start with BR. Oh, HR. When you start with HR and you write something, it will come to the next line automatically by default. What the definition mentioned is the block level tags take up the full width available and by default begins with a new line. Then tag level, text level tags are used to mark up parts of text. These tags do not start with a new line. It is like bold, superscript, superscript, like when we write 2 raised to 3, this is called superscript. But when we write something like A2 here, like this, H2, like in chemistry, we write something. This is called subscript. And if it is above, it is called superscript. So such tags are text level tags because they do not start with a new line. Okay. Then we will learn about next nesting of tags, which means that you can start a new tag before closing the previous tag. Okay. Suppose I'll clear the screen. Suppose we have started with the head tag. You have started with the head tag. Usually we close it after writing the heading. But when we are using the body tag means the content which you're going to put up. Suppose I write here bold. I have not yet closed the body tag. I'm writing inside it bold hello. Then I close this bold tag and then at the end I'll close this body tag. So here you can see without closing this body tag, I have put the bold tag. Okay. This is nesting of tags. Then an attribute is a property that provides some additional information about a tag. Uh, when you are specifying the background color. Suppose the content which you're writing in your website, you want it in red color. So will you mention it? You will write BG color. Here, pay attention. In HTML, we do not write COLOUR. We mention COLOR. If you write UR, it will not accept. This is correct one. BG color is equals to yellow, double comma, and then we will close the tags. So this is how we are using attributes. Okay. Then yes, now I would request you to open your notepad or and writer so that we can start with the coding part. Okay. I will also share screen in a minute. Yes, I hope my screen is visible. We'll start coding. So in every document HTML document structure, we always start with this. Wait, I'll zoom in so that you are able to see it clearly. Yes. So we start with HTML. We'll close this tag. Then we'll open new tag. Heading. This is for heading. Next tag, title. We will put the title here. Then we will close this title. See, heading and title are two different things. Heading is the thing which we use. I'll tell you the difference. Annotating option is not available. Yes. See, this is the opening tag of title and this is the closing tag of title. Okay. So, yes, see here. This untitled notepad which you can see above is the heading. But if I write something in this line, where I've written HTML, if I write something here, suppose hello, this is my title below the margin, and above the margin is the heading, and this is the title. Next is the next we will close the head tag. Always put the title inside the heading tag because it will put at the head of the your web page. Then body. Then we will write the content of the page. Body. We'll close the body here. Then see, it is not a case sensitive language, so I can use both capital and small letters anywhere I want. This is the basic structure, okay? An interesting thing which you must know, which is very important, is that the head, whatever you write within these three lines, head, title, head, this will not be seen in your web page, okay? This will not be seen. Only the things which you write in the body part will be visible. Whatever you write in that will not be visible on the web page. That is just for your preference, okay? It will be the website name or web page name for that time. Suppose if I write head and title in English, mean what I said. If it is above the margin, it is called as heading, and if it is below the margin, it is the title. But in HTML, it is like the same thing, head and title. Head is the main attribute. Within it, you are introducing a new tag which is title, but both of them will not be visible on the web page. This will be visible as the name of the web page for that time temporarily. So now I will start the actual coding. HTML head would be the same. Here I will put a title like put first web page. Okay. Then we will close the head tag. It is already closed. Then in body we will introduce the background color. BG color is equals to maybe red. Then I have written a plus here, right? Equal to. There are some codes for these colors also, which you will learn in higher classes, but but in new updates and versions, HTML has also introduced using the actual color name. Otherwise, we had to put numbers for a particular color, different numbers for different. Text is equals to white. I want the text in white color, suppose. No, white color will not be visible. I will put it in blue. Blue. Then we'll close it like this. Okay, already closed. Then content of the web page. Oh, this is the content of the web page. Yeah, you will write in the exact order which you want in your web page. Let us explore explore the wonderful world of HTML. Suppose we want this. Our this web page is ready. Now you have to click on this file tab and you will select the save as option. Then we will name it. Yes, we will save it on desktop. I will put avidal.html. This should be the last ending of the file name. Save. Now I'll stop sharing. I'll open the web page first. Yes. So I have got the result which we wanted. Did I get disconnected from the meeting? No, I am there. Yes. See, this web page is ready. Content, let us explore the wonderful world of HTML. Okay. Now for mobile phones, I will be helping here. You click here. It's ready. See, I told you that this web page thing would be seen here. Can you see the part which I am moving it? First web page. Here you can see it is visible here. It is not visible on the web page. Okay. So I'll stop sharing. Now we will start with another coding. I think we have time left with us. Yes, we have time. So let's create another HTML basic website. 1 second. I will share the notepad again. This from here, what next step which you have to do is File, we will put new. Yes. So we will create a bit uh like the next level website of a school, let's say, okay? Start with HTML head title school title close, then head closed. Next step, put body. Oh, wait, body. Now, if you want to put a heading inside the body which is visible, what we will do, we will use a tag named H1. Okay. And you will put a welcome to my school. Now you can close this H1 tag. This is for the heading which you want to be seen. Then, oh, this is not closed correctly. Then heading 2, we will put subjects we learn. First, we will tell which subjects we learn in our school. Okay, we learn. Then we will make we will put this heading. Then we will start making the list. H2. This is the heading 2. Now we are making a list here. Okay, simple list. So the tag which we use is UL for list. Then for each item we will put LI. We will put English, closing LI. Then we are listing out the subjects. Mathematics, LI, LI, computer. I want you to submit these files to me on email. Email it to me directly. Okay, I will be checking these websites. LI. So we have 10 minutes left of this meeting. We will complete it soon. Uh, LI. This list concept is asked for 10 marks in your second term exam, I think. SST, LI. Now we will close this list part, okay? Close UL. Then our teachers, we will put another heading here. H3. In H3, we will write our teachers. Again, we will close the heading 3. Again, we will start a list, UL. Here we have only one teacher in our academy. So I will mention LI, Abidal, LI. We will close this UL tag. Next thing, we will write us. We will close this body tag. Then at final, we will close the HTML tag. So let's see how our website looks. I will save it on the page. Aviral 1.h. So it is saved. I will minimize this. Stop share. Then I'll share you my new website. Yes. See, our new website is ready. We can see here that the web page name here is school, and welcome to my school is in bold because it is the first heading. The first heading is always the largest or the biggest in text size. Oh, our teachers have written instead of our teachers. I will rectify it. Okay, so here we will end our meeting because we have completed our agenda for today. Okay, so bye. Keep practicing and send me those files to me.